All right, everybody, we are going to focus on taking angle pair relationships today and solving for two variables. We've so far covered one variable only. If you take a look at the board here, we have 5x plus 2y as an expression, 2x plus 4y as an expression. We are looking for two unknowns in this problem. So what we're going to need is two equations. Unfortunately, we don't have an x, we don't have a y, so we are going to need to set up two equations and then use the substitution or elimination method to solve the problem. So what I want to do first when you're given a situation like this is you want to identify what type of angle relationships you have while also coming up with equations that fit. And for the purpose of this video is I'm going to put together all of the equations that are possibilities so we could take a look at what resulting systems would be easiest to solve. So here we go. Let's take a look first at some angle relationships here. We have potentially we have a linear pair here, 5x plus 2y plus 72 is going to equal 180 degrees. So I'm going to write that equation up here, and I'm going to simplify it. So 5x plus 2y plus 72 equals 180. That coming from a linear pair of equations. So what I want to do now is I just want to simplify this equation. Let's bring the 72 over by subtraction. We get 5x plus 2y equals 108 degrees. And I mean, by subtraction, we know that, right? We know that this has to equal 108 degrees by subtracting from 180, so we know that this expression must equal 108, a step that we could have taken ahead of time. All right, let's talk about a second equation here now. I'm going to leverage a vertical angle here. These two angles are vertical to each other. They are opposite with intersecting lines. So this is a little bit more straightforward. We get 2x plus 4y equals 72. And I mean, we have enough right now to solve the problem, but I just want to go over all the possible equations we have here anyway. The last one that I see is the sum of these two could also equal 180 degrees. So I'm going to make equation 3. I'm going to sum these down now and set it equal to 180. Another linear pair, just to see what the equation looks like. Maybe it's easier to work with. 5x plus 2x is 7x. 2y plus 4y is 6y. And we have our three equations, 1, 2, 3. We only need two of them, so what you're looking for now is pick a pair of equations that is easiest to solve by using either the elimination or substitution method. In this case, I don't think we're using substitution. I think instead we're going to use the elimination method, and I do think that maybe a combination of equation 1 and 2 would present itself as a little bit easier to solve because we can use elimination on the y variable. So I'm going to write that up right over here. We'll go in green here. We're going to multiply this top equation by -2 so that the y's can cancel. So we get negative 10x minus 4y equals negative 216. I'm going to rewrite the second equation right below it, 2x plus 4y. And then we're going to use the elimination method. We're going to combine these equations. The y's will add to 0. And you get 18. Last step here to solve for x and y in this problem is to take our x value, pick any of the equations we have to plug in to find y. So I'm going to take this smaller numbered one here. We're going to go 2 times our x value, 18, plus 4y equals 7. So our y variable is 9. I hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching.